Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from your end, depending on when you're gonna watch this video. I am Miss Annabelle and I teach the law. Last week, I actually listed out the chapters that are provided in the Constitution. So starting from today, I am explaining from section 1 to 5 as time permits me. So section 1 talks about the supremacy of the Constitution, which provides that the Constitution is supreme and it has a binding force on all authorities and on person in the Federation. And any laws that are inconsistent with the sections that are stipulated under the Constitution are void. Any laws that go against the Constitution, whatever that is written in the Constitution, those laws are void, none and void, ab initio. Then Section 2 provides that there shall be a federation and there shall be a state. Section 3 now went on to provide that this federation shall have a state, different states. Each state shall have their own capital. So in that said that Section 3 provides for the 36 states. And that's how come about we have our state and capital. Yeah, Section 4 went on to provide for the legislative powers. That this section provides that there shall be a legislative powers of the Federation, and such powers shall be vested to the National Assembly, which will consist of the Senate and the House of Representatives. And these powers that have been vested to the National Assembly shall have the power to make laws, peace and order for good governance, and such powers shall be included in it shall have in respect to matters of the exclusive legislative list. Section 5 went on to provide for the executive powers. It states that subject to the provision of this constitution, the executive powers of the Federation shall be vested to the president and the vice president. While sub 2 now went on to provide that subject to the provision of this constitution, the executive powers of a state shall be vested on the governor and the deputy governor. Then Section 6 went on to provide for the judicial powers that subject to the provision of this constitution, the judicial powers shall be vested in the courts. So, and we have different courts. I don't know if time will permit me to list them right now. I guess on my next video I'm going to list them out, because I remember when I was in 300 level and 400 level, there was a question a lecturer actually gave to us, and it requires you listing out